In this video, we'll show you how to restore or recover the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Losing the Play Store can be really frustrating since you need it to download new apps, update existing ones and more. So let's get started. First of all, swipe down from the home screen to open the App Store. You can swipe left or right to the app page or tap on the search bar at the top. Type in Play Store. It might have just been removed from your home screen while is still being present in your app door. If you find the app here, tap on hold its icon, then tap add to home. The Play Store icon will then be added to your home screen. If you still can't find it through search, swipe up and go to your phone settings. You can find settings by search for your app door or locating its icon. Once in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. In the menu, you can see the all apps listed there. Scroll down again, find Google Play Store or use the search bar, type Google Play Store. If you found there, tap to open it. As you can see here, the app is currently disabled. To recover it, we just need to tap on enable. Once enabled, you back to the home page and swipe the home screen, open the app door. Here you can find the Play Store. Tap on it to open the Play Store directly, or if you decide to edit the Play Store icon on your home screen, so long press the Play Store icon and drag it to your home screen where if you like it. And that's it. You can easily restore the Google Play Store on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.